first day in Malaysia and already so many surprises. From landing at one of the cutest and busiest airport to standing in a super long immigration queue to finally reaching our stay in Kuala Lumpur. In this video, I will show everything, exact cost, visa, SIM card and how to reach the city from the airport. So if you're planning a trip to Malaysia, this video will save you a lot of confusion. So let's go. So we booked our flight ticket from Manila to Kuala Lumpur and it costed us 6,000 per person. Prices vary a lot depending on the season. So finally we have landed in Malaysia and honestly the first impression was that this airport is so cute and clean but very modern and very organized. Then we went for immigration and guys, the queue was very long. We waited almost for 2 hours and thankfully everything was smooth. You might know that it is visa free for Indian travelers and it's very simple and easy to travel to Malaysia. A detailed video about this has been posted on my channel. Do check that out. After immigration, straight we went to baggage claim. Baggage was already waiting for us outside the belt because we were so late. After baggage, we went to buy a SIM card which costed us around 15 to 30 ringgit, which is like 300 to 600 depending on the data. Internet is super important here for maps, Grab, everything. Either buy at the airport or get eSIM before your travel. So now we have to go to our hotel and from airport to Kuala Lumpur city, we have 3 options here, either bus or metro or Grab. So we chose the budget option which is bus. It costed us around 15 ringgit per person which is 270 Indian rupees and takes about 1.5 hours to reach KL Central. If you are traveling by train, it will cost you 55 ringgit and if you are choosing the Grab option, it will be around 150 ringgit. Welcome to
Malaysia.
So we have finally reached KL Central, which is like the main transport hub. From here, we have to book a Grab to our hotel, which costed us 19 ringgit. When you're in Malaysia, always try to use Grab instead of random taxis. So we finally reached our stay. We booked our stay at Majestic Residences. And guys, it was actually an apartment, perfect if you're staying for multiple days. So let me show you our apartment.
Overacting के पैसे कटेंगे.
So we have a beautiful apartment, 2 bedrooms and a nice view of the city. Wow. Good. थोड़ी खुलती है. After all this travel, we were honestly dead tired. So we decided to just relax, order some food from again Grab app and call it a day. In the next video, we will explore Kuala Lumpur, visit iconic places and try local food. So make sure you're subscribed and if you have any questions about Malaysia travel, drop them in the comments. I will be happy to help you. So until next video, take care, bye-bye.
ये इंसान पागल हो चुका है.
You can make me, yeah. I'm